Hey everyone, if you're tired of struggling to clean those hard storage areas in your car, then you're going to love what I have for you today. Introducing the Car Cleaning Duster Microfiber Brush, the ultimate solution for keeping your car clean and dust-free. This amazing brush is designed with soft and smooth nanofibers, making it gentle on your car's surfaces, while still being incredibly effective at picking up dust and dirt. And with its compact size of 9.7 x 2.7 x 5 inches and weight of only 40 grams, it's so easy to handle and maneuver. But that's not all, this brush is also incredibly versatile. It's perfect for cleaning air vents, car phone holders, and any other hard storage spots in your vehicle. Plus, it's suitable for both wet and dry use, making it a must-have for any car wash or detailing session. The Car Cleaning Duster Microfiber Brush is made with high-quality materials like ABS and plush chenille microfiber, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. And with its sturdy construction, it can withstand multiple uses without losing its cleaning power. And the best part? It's super affordable and convenient to use. With its compact size, you can easily store it in your car or garage for quick and easy access whenever you need it. So, if you're ready to take your car cleaning game to the next level, then don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Car Cleaning Duster Microfiber Brush today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned your car without it. Don't miss out, get yours now.